Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I surely did. My birthday usually falls on the day before Thanksgiving. So I got some cash. Some people gave me money and stuff like that from family and all that. So I decided to get myself a coffee maker because the one I had broke. I've had about 3 coffee makers in my life. I had a basic coffee pot one, I had a Keurig, and the last one was the Hamilton Flex Brew, and they all ended up having issues. So this is the 4th one I'm trying. Let's see how this one goes. So yeah, I got this. I was super excited when I got it because of how small it is and how lightweight it is. It just fits really easily on the counter, and I just really love that. Yeah, so this is the Sboly single cup brewer, I think. This was originally like $56. I got a coupon for about $25 off, so it was like 30 something. Yes, on Amazon. So this coffee maker comes with, you know, the one for your K-cups right here, and the one where you can make, the one for making ground coffee, and it has a lid. That's really important because you don't want coffee to be spilled everywhere every time you're making a coffee. I wasn't looking for anything fancy. I looked for basically basic coffee. I don't want the extras because I really don't have time for that. My son wakes me up around like 6 a.m. and most of the time I'm running to get my coffee quickly so that I can get out of the kitchen. So I don't really want things that are fancy where I have to figure out what I'm pressing and all that. I just need a basic coffee maker. So I already made my coffee here. I already put creamer and stuff like that. I don't know, I think you guys can see it right there. Yeah. And my favorite coffee of all time now is the Donut Shop Great Value one by Walmart. As you can see, I have 2 of them. I have the K-cup ones and I have the big guy right here. So I never have to be running out. Yeah, so this is really awesome. On top of being lightweight and really sleek, this is the area where you put, you know, whether the K-cup or the ground coffee. So right in there. Anything that drips goes right here. And so far not that much. The other coffee makers I noticed they would drip a lot. Then on the side here they have the buttons for ground or capsule, which is the K-cup, you know, and whether you have ground coffee. You push that button to open it up like that. And then in the back here is where your water is. So it holds up about 8 ounces for the small one. So the one I got is pretty much small. And the area is kind of marked with, no, 14 ounces, I'm sorry. So 14 ounces, 10 ounces, 8, 6. So you pretty much pour until you get to the level that you need, depending on how much coffee you want to make. Right there. And yeah, so far, I mean, so cool. Like, I really like it. It does take about, it feels like a good 2 minutes for you to brew coffee, which is not like usually the ones that I had. Like the Keurig was pretty fast. The Hamilton was also fast, but this one, it seems to take a little bit of time, which I guess means that you're gonna get a good cup of coffee. So I'm not really minding it because sometimes I put it on and then go about doing other stuff in the kitchen while the coffee's brewing. So far so good. I'm trying to see how long it lasts. It does come with a 1-year warranty, so that's good. So let's see how that works. If it does break like the other ones, then I'm really gonna be disappointed because I'm getting tired of like buying different coffee makers. Coffee, you know, it's just like, what is really going on? I guess I really use them that much, that's why they break. I don't know. But yeah, so far so cool. So it's lightweight, it's affordable. And when you're ordering online, please make sure that you look at which one you're ordering because there's different ones. This is just basically a single one. If you're looking for the bigger one, you're gonna have to spend, I think, maybe, I think 60 something or 70, and then maybe they'll have a coupon again to offer you some kind of a discount. So this is pretty cool, you guys. I really like it. I just wanted to share with you guys if you're on the hunt for a coffee maker. You know, you could go to your local Target and Walmart and get a coffee maker, but for me, I just didn't really want to deal with all of that, so I just ordered it, and you know, having birthday cash helped. So this is a gift to myself because I really needed one. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are staying safe and hanging in there. Bye.